So here we're going to learn the sixth letter, another consonant. It's J. It's like the English J is in just, job, John. It has again four forms: front connecting form, middle connecting form, back connecting form, and a long form. You see it? Yes, a long form. So let's make an example. For the front connecting form, Can. It's a very common word. It means like life or darling or Janam. And the other one, Jai. A place. So this is I can see it's first connecting form, right? No, the first one, right? And the second one, it's middle connecting form. You should write it like this. Okay. Let's make an example for this. Just no, not just Ali Janab. Ali Janab. It means noble. Ali Janab. Yeah, there should be two dots. I told you before, like I like to connect the dots like this or this. It should, if, as a beginner, I still prefer write the dots separately like this. Ali Janab means noble. So here you can see this is the middle connecting form, and let's see another example first. Well, Timjit. Timjit. Can you see it? Sorry, I made this. Timjit. Timjit. It means quiet. And the other one is for the back connecting form. Let's make an example. Maybe I can just it's rare to see this kind of form, I guess, in daily life, but maybe for the foreign words like let's say college. I don't know, it doesn't make any meaning. There's no meaning, but I just wanted to show you how it should be connected as a back connecting form. Or college, I don't know if it's maybe it's a name for someone right in a foreign country, but I cannot think of a word that they usually use this as a at the end. I will, if I can come up with a word, I will let you know. But yeah, it's I'm just making up words, but yeah, this is how you have to connect. And I have a note to make. So we like to, okay, for this one and this one I will talk about later. Anyway, the last one, the alone connecting form, Baj. It means text. We sometimes like to pronounce it like je, Baj, but it's written Baj. But when we say it in daily life, when we pronounce it, it sounds like je, Baj. And what else? Baj. Yeah, I think it's still hard to see J comes alone. Yeah, I'll just any words that George, maybe, like for example George in English, but yeah. So let's go back to this note I want to talk about. So in daily life, when people write J, they like to write it like this, or they like to write it like this for this too. For example, Jimjit, right? It looks like a re, but the dot is here. They like to make it like this. It's like a written way, but you can also write like this, so yeah, I wanted to remind you this. And for this one too, they like to make it like this. For this, yeah, this is just a note if you are going to read someone's handwritten Uyghur. But in basically when it's books or internet, it's separated like this. It's not like it's not like this. Yes, okay. That's it for today. I guess I'm really tired. Thank you. Bye.